Lesson 6:6. Energy in humans and the world. Human bodies, and in fact all living things, convert energy. The rate that food energy is used is called the metabolic rate, which would be how quickly the energy is being converted from food into this work and heat and stored fat. The basal metabolic rate, or BMR, is the total energy conversion at rest. That is highest in the liver and the spleen. And you can see table 7.4 in your book. And table 7.5 shows how increasing your activity increases your metabolic rate. Energy is required to do work, and worldwide the most common source of energy is oil. And if we combine oil, coal, natural gas, that is most of the world's energy comes from fossil fuels. And then some hydro, which is water, nuclear, and then geothermal, wind, solar, biomass. In general, the amount of energy used gives you a better standard of living. The USA has 4.5% of the world population, but uses 20% of the world's oil. And the world energy consumption continues to increase quickly with growing economies in China and India. Fossil fuels are very polluting. And China and India and the US and the other industrialized countries use a lot of them. So many countries are trying to develop renewable energy like wind and solar. Europe is generally leading the world as far as wind and solar energy goes. And in general, the higher the energy use per capita or per person, the better standard of living. Here is one way the electric company is using conservation of energy to store energy. It's called the Ludington Pumped Storage Power Plant. It's a reservoir, 110 feet deep, 2.5 miles long, and 1 mile wide, which holds 27 billion gallons of water. So this 1.3 square mile reservoir is located on the banks of Lake Michigan. And the power plant consists of 6 reversible turbines that can each generate 312 megawatts of electricity for a total output of 1,872 megawatts. At night, when there's low demand for electricity, the turbines run in reverse to pump the water uphill from Lake Michigan into the reservoir. During periods of peak demand, the water is released to generate power. So electrical generation can begin within 2 minutes with peak power output achieved in under 30 minutes. The maximum water flow is 33 million gallons per minute. Why have this? It's designed to level the load of the nearby nuclear power plants on the grid. And there's now also very large wind farms, lots of windmills nearby. So it has replaced the need to build natural gas, peak power plants that are used only during high demand. So a way that's non-polluting, store energy created safely, and then use it to generate electricity as needed.